Hi everyone, Josh here, and today we are going to show you how to tighten your toilet seat. Tools you'll need for this are flathead screwdriver, your Phillips head screwdriver, and we recommend getting some cleaning gloves for cleaning purposes. The first step is to open the toilet lid. Then push in the buttons that will remove the lid. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the silver caps from the bowl. Then using the Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the screws into the bowl. Put the silver caps back on, and then push the toilet seat lid back in place. There you have it, a tight toilet seat. We recommend you doing this once or twice every year. Thanks for watching.